Alright guys, we're here changing out shower cartridge for acorn shower valve. This is what they have typically on the hospital setups and buildings. Take off your little set screw. And then you gotta take off your trim. Right now what he's doing is taking out the little, it's like a little pin. Basically, you got two screws there, one on the right hand side, one on the left hand side. Alright, so now basically what you got is the valve that's inside the wall. Now you see these little stops right there? You gotta turn those. Those are your little valves. You gotta turn those off. Once you turn them off, then you can go ahead and remove the cartridge. And this is basically a big old nut. You gotta turn left to loosen it. Some of them they got a little set screw, but this one doesn't have a set screw. That's it. That's the reason why they weren't getting no hot water. The little cartridges on the back, they have little strainers with the clogged up. And basically all you do is take a little bit of sandpaper, clean that up, and that's all you're doing.